Hello friends, I am Amitesh at GetSetSQL. In this video, we are going to discuss about logical operators between, exist and like. This is my second video in this series of logical operators. In the first video of this series, I have already explained and or in operators. If you want to watch that video, please click to the top right hand side of this video and you can find the link there. So let's start and stay tuned. As we have already discussed that logical operators test for the truth of some condition given in the where clause. On that basis it produces the output. So let's first understand what is between operator. Between operator select values within a given range in the SQL query. Let's see in the example. For this example, I'll work on AdventureWorks database and I have created a simpler table called employee. This is a copy of main table dim employee with the limited rows and limited columns, just to make the example simpler and easy to understand. Now you can see in this table we have employee name, department, hire date, marital status, gender and base rate. Now using between operator, I want to search out only employees where base rates lies between a certain range. Let's order by this record based on base rate first, so to get an idea that what range of base rates we have available in this table. So you can see base rate varies from 9 to the maximum value 125. So now I will write a between operator to extract out only employees where it should be between 40 and 50. Execute this query and you can see only 8 rows satisfy the condition where base rates are varying from 40 to 48. One important thing to understand that between is an inclusive operator. It means that it covers start and end rate also. Let me be very precise with the value. If I say base rate between this value and this value and run this query again, you again will see the 8 row returns including the starting range and end range. The between operator also works with date range. Let me show you in another example. Now this time I want to filter out employees information based on their hire date, and I want only employees where the hire date between some certain date range, where hire date between, let me pick some random range from the hire date and so this time I want to see the employee list where the hire date between 5th of July 2007 to 31st of August 2007. Run this query. Great. So this time we can see only 11 employee exist in this table where the hire date is between this given range and the starting and end range is also included in the. So this is the basic example of between keyword. Now let's see the use of exist. So exist keyword work with the subqueries. If the given condition in the subquery is true, then on that basis the outermost query produces the output. Let me first discuss the scenario, that on what scenario we'll be using exist keyword. So for this we'll take two tables. First is fact reseller sales and the second one is product. The fact reseller sales contains the information of each and every sales. This table, instead of consisting actual value, it consists the reference key. As you can see, the first column is product key, is taking reference from the product table, then order date key, due date key, ship date key, employee key, promotion key, currency key. These all keys are referential value from their parent table. For our example, we'll work with product key. So each product key in fact reseller sales is referring to the actual product in product table. As you can see, the product key is a primary key and here is the product name and its color. Now this product table has altogether 24 records only, and the fact reseller sales table has 60,855 records. Now what I want to do in my query is to extract out only records from the fact reseller sales where the product key exists in the product table. We will write a select statement on fact reseller sales where exists. Now we'll write a subquery. Select asterisk from product table where fact reseller sales dot product key is equals to product table dot product key should be matching. This one is the outermost query and this is the subquery. But subquery is taking reference from the outermost query, fact reseller sales. So this is called a correlated query. Now wherever this condition satisfy, only those rows will be produced from the fact reseller sales, because exist statements determine that whether the given condition in subquery is true or false. So wherever the condition is true, the output from the fact reseller sales table will be produced. Let's run this query. This time we can see only 524 rows have been produced as an output. So this way exist statement works. Now let's understand like operator. So like keyword is a very interesting keyword because it works very versatile with the wildcard characters. There are 3 wildcard characters mainly used in SQL Server. Let me list down here: %, underscore and bracket. These wildcard characters are used to search out certain values from the column. Let's see how like keyword works with wildcard characters. For this, let's take an example of a smaller table, product again. So this table has total 24 records. Now I want to search out those values where product name has road as a value in it. I will write product name like person road. Now this like keyword will search out all the values in product name where road as a value exists. This % before and after this keyword tells that there could be any number of words before and after the road word. Execute this and you can see 13 rows appears. In every cell of product name has a road as a keyword. Now I want to search out for those records where characters start with M value. So how I will do this? There is a specific bracket where we can say M. The character, the product name should be start with M, and after that there could be any number of string value. And it will retrieve only 4 records where product name start with M character. Again, in the same way, we can use this third underscore. Underscore stand for any one character. One underscore stand for any one character. So if I say first character could be anything, but the second character must be L. And then after that there could be any number of characters. Run this statement and you will see all 24 records appeared. Why it is so? Because in every product name the second character is L. Now let's say I type underscore 3 times, and after this I said the 4th character should be starting with Turing, and then any number of characters is allowed. Now how this search will work? It will see the values in product name column where 3 characters could be anything, but starting from 4th keyword the string should be Turing, and after that there could be any number of characters because % is given. So % looks for any number of characters. There could, after Turing there could be 10, 20, 15, 100 characters. It doesn't, % doesn't look for the number of characters. Underscore looks for certain number of characters. So I have provided 3 underscores here, which tells that product name could be start with any 3 characters fourth character should be start with T and must be Turing. Run this and you can see only 5 values. If you see it closely, you will find HL space then Turing. In the same way, in second value you can see LL space then Turing is a value. So this way like keyword with while characters work. So this is all about second part of logical operators. Hope you would like this video. If you are enjoying my session, please subscribe my channel and press the like button. I'll come soon with more interesting and learning videos on SQL Server. Till then, keep smiling and keep in touch. Thank you.